Hello everyone! Samahan niyo po ulit akong i-visit ang isang project na binibenta natin. This is located at Barangay Milagrosa, Calamba City, Laguna. Super accessible neto guys from Santo Tomas exit or even in Calamba exit, along National Highway, walking distance to and from Turbina Terminal, near SM Calamba, walking distance lalong-lalo na sa National University. Kapitbahay lang neto ang Olivares Homes. So, Olivares Homes offers as well complete amenities, secured community, landscape entrance and guardhouse, underground drainage system, Meralco service, accessible to public transport and school, clubhouse. It has basketball court, may swimming pool din, playgrounds for your kids at parking, like park with jogging lane. Ayan. So this is what Olivares Homes can offer you and your family. At isa pa ay napakagandang rental property neto or investment sa mga gustong magpaupa ng kanilang units. Kasi nga kapitbahay nyo lang ang NU at mga offices near industrial park. So maraming opportunities for rental business. At ito na nga, napasok na natin yung kanilang community, no? So we have duplex here, single detached at townhouse. So if you have questions, don't hesitate to message me, call me or text me on the number flash on your screen. See you soon!